UFC GL 25104. I reckon. Listen, most streams you should be able to get 2 messages in there. Let me just check it. Sorry, folks. I'm just going to make sure Twitch isn't broken. All right, here we go. Colby, Championship lineage, Woodley Lawler, Green, Saint Denis. I believe so. I haven't seen one yet. John Jones. Taito Vasa, time lapse. Got level to 109, O'Day Osborne. Arian Adesanya. Anderson Silva, Country Pride, Carpe. Green, Johnny Parsons, rookie. Fatonya Shibane. Quinlan, focal point of Woodley. To 209, Marvin Vittori ranked. Quick, everyone spam the chat. Alex Agrasso, GSP. Volk. Bo Nickel, Golden Stars. 249, Mike Malott. Jacob. Lucindo. Did Joshy get timed out maybe? Maybe someone banned him. Yeah. Alumni, Joanna. To 99, Gabriel Miranda. Alan Nascimento and Diego Lopez. Is this a different Diego Lopez? Yeah. Shevchenko. Focal point of Rob Whittaker. To 99, DDP. Bang, self-half-one. They're saying the ring is going after Josh Apter. Sean O'Malley to 99, Luana Carolina. Right, yeah. They're saying Joshy talking too much. Aspinall. Time lapse with Zhang Wei Li. 299, Max Holloway, blessed. Mouth. And that's the top. This has been a good break. Boris Becker ones are fun. Dern, Jose Aldo, Green, Raquel Pennington, Yasmin, Michael Page. Let's just play pickleball instead. Country Sim Pride, BSD, Alex Pereira, Green, Justin Edwards, Jake Hadley. Todorovic, Sebastian Magomedev. Sorry, not Sebastian, what am I on about? Sharabatin. Zhang Wei Li, Avi, Marlon Jones. Lipsky, gold, Aljo Sterling, green, Jack Jenkins, Machado Gary, Kamaru Usman, and finally, focal point of GSP. To 99, Strickland and Adesanya, lineage. June Tafa and Natalia Cristina da Silva, and that is UFC GL 25104.